Oh my gosh.
I didn't see that.
Oh. Look at all the boats pulling in right now. We got Tang Thai right here. Up front here. We got tuned up Bassin. Right there. I'm not fishing. Beach eyes. Fishing. I just want to thank everybody for coming out. I'm Peter with D&Gav. These are my boy D&Gavin. Thanks to Jacob, JKV, and Chang, Minnesota Made, for helping me out with this. It wasn't me, it was the three of us that put this together. So let's just have some fun. Meet back here by noon or so, and then we'll get it going.
Alright guys, first spot.
We're in our first spot. We're gonna start off the morning with shallow water, and then as the day goes by, as the sun comes up, then we'll move into the deeper waters. What are you starting off with?
Buzzbait.
Yeah, we're gonna start off with buzzbait. Conditions are pretty windy this morning, not the most windiest, but enough to put some ripples on the water. So starting off with the buzzbait, give us some action. Wake those fishes up.
I think I was. Ooh!
All right.
Nah, you missed.
Oh my lord, what happened?
Damn, bro. Got. I knew it was going to be a buzzbait.
He's on. He's got the jerk bait.
Nah,
Oh, little dude. We got a little dude. All right, all right.
Oh, first fish though.
First
Didn't take
fish.
too long. To be honest, didn't take too long. Need the pliers.
For that mouth? Yeah.
Barely.
It barely made 12 inches. Well, I want to give a quick shout out to the sponsors that made this possible for us. We're going with Locksmith Disciples, Midwest Monster. So he's representing the Midwest Monster right there. Thank you, Midwest Monster. State Farm, Tu Tai Lilo, and Thai Fusion, Pog Rug, and Get To Tacos. Not only that, but then I want to give a shout out to my cousin Tony and Lisa, just for printing the shirts for us. So thank you, Tony and Lisa, for that. Not only that, but then thank you to the anglers that made it out here, man. Without them, I didn't expect it to be this big. We got 13 or 14 boats out here, and it was pretty cool just seeing all those boats out here, man. A lot of known YouTube channels out here.
1 hour later.
What are you doing, little kid?
Getting ready.
You just giving up?
Do it by hand.
No, why would I do this when I can do this?
Because it's going to burn.
This is what you call lazy fishing. This boy doesn't even stand up. That's why he can't get the good hook set.
True.
No!
Oh my God, slow down, bro. This dude missed 2 already. Let's see what we can do over there. Really, kid? Turn it off. Dork. Come on, don't break my trolling motor.
How deep you let it drop, guys?
I let it go all the way.
What is this?
Drop shot on like one of the poles and then just leave it, and then if it gets something, then you ruin it.
No, you can't do that.
Why?
It's called cheating, bro. Oh, he's gonna. Oh, what a catch! Throw that right above grass. Come on, dude. Are you having more fun with your lure?
Wow.
Yeah.
That fish is outgoing.
That boy's talking with his mouth full. Just swallow your food first before you try to read. Oh my gosh.
I didn't see that.
Oh, damn, he's on. Need help? You got pike. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you got lucky.
You got so lucky. You're so lucky it didn't bite you off.
Alright, take your time.
It's a pike.
Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Good job.
Damn.
Ah, that's the pole.
That's a good one. Don't drop it. Lock it in place here. I don't even know where it was. So let's measure it and see what we got there. You know?
On anything? Okay, I'm gonna peek it. I did this. You can see it like right there.
15 and a half?
See? Like little.
Yep, it's 15 and a half. So what are you guys doing here?
Fishing deep. It's about 11 feet, 10
We're
feet.
sitting right on 11 foot of water. And right in front of us is going to be about 15 to 20 feet. There's these brush piles that they're throwing right into the brush pile. Got a couple of swim jigs on it. Gavin's got a black and blue, and then Dion's got a green pumpkin. So they're just swimming the jigs right through it. As soon as they cut right through it, they're just letting it rest.
Oh,
And he's on.
Oh.
This guy is serious. Here, you take the camera, control the camera.
No, stay on this
It's a smallie. Ah, got
Oh my
Just in
God.
time. Oh my gosh.
so lucky.
He ripped his lips off. Look at that.
Wait, I ripped his lips
Got
off?
it just in time.
I ripped it off?
Yep.
Barely.
Holy.
Is it going to be enough to weigh? Oh, just enough to measure.
Same size as me.
Ouch, ouch. Calm down, buddy.
Size of my old one. Found the hot spot, boys and
It's
girls.
about 1375.
So we got 12 and 3/4.
Look at that one, bro.
Oh, he's got a
the
jumper.
heck?
Oh my God, this guy lost his 3rd fish for today. Mr. Man, what is going on up there?
It's not Mr.
I
Man.
don't know.
It's Dr.
Huh, Dr. Tom?
I don't know.
I think you're too much in a rush, man. Just slow it down.
It jumped.
Get that good hook set on it.
I knew that would jump.
Man, this is his 3rd fish he lost already this morning.
You got that special blue jig too?
Congrats, yay!
Yeah, that's about it, boys.
Fellas, we out. See you guys on the hunting channel now. Get your hunting channels out. Let's go. Good seeing you guys all, man. We'll do this again. Meet you guys out in the forest.
Yes.
There's all the participants right here. We'll be out of here, guys. So, if you guys like what you see, hopefully we get some more of this. I believe this might be the very first Hmong YouTubers that did something like this. So, especially in the Twin Cities here. So, if you guys like it, come out next year and support us and join us. If there's a next year, but without you guys, you know, it won't be possible. So, we'll keep doing this if everybody wants to be in it. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Not just mine, but everybody that was out here. And keep following. See you guys.